Are you still confused about which books to read for medieval Indian history for UPSC CSE 2026? Should you read NCERT's or Tamil Nadu history or Satish Chandra's Indian medieval history? In this video, I will tell you the exact book list you need, nothing more, nothing less, save time, gain marks. Welcome wanderers and fellow UPSC aspirants to our Wandering in UPSC channel. For support, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's begin with Foundation. Our past part 2, Class 7th NCERT. This is super basic book, good for foundation, helps you to understand kings, kingdoms, Delhi Sultans, Mughal Empire, rulers, buildings and some devotional elements. One reading is enough. This book also gives foundation for art and culture too. Now, most favorite book of toppers, which is Tamil Nadu History 11th class. Combination of ancient and medieval history. It is simple, factual writing, good for timeline, best for prelims, easy to revise. Don't forget to study at least 2 to 3 times. Now we need a book for mains, which is Themes in Indian History Part 2, Class 12th. Mains focused book, more analytical and theme based book. Topics like agrarian relations, religious beliefs, architecture and administration are covered in depth. But remember, it's not a story book, it's academic. So read it with previous year questions in mind. These 3 books are enough for good marks both in prelims and mains. Everyone must start with our past part 2, later go for 12th class NCERT, then at last study Tamil Nadu History Class 11th. There are other books which are not necessary for general studies if you studied those 3 books already. Our next book, which is Old NCERT by Satish Chandra. If you want to go with one book, this is the best. Sometimes direct questions comes from this book. Great book for both prelims and mains. Now the big question, do you need anything else? Honestly, for UPSC, these books are more than enough. But if you want extra depth or are you preparing for mains history optional, you can explore A History of Medieval India by Satish Chandra, Orient Black Swan publication. It's a bigger version but not necessary for general studies. Tip: finish NCERT Class 7 once. Go for Satish Chandra Old NCERT. This is enough for prelims and mains. Or there is another combination, which is finish NCERT Class 7 once, go for NCERT Class 12th and Tamil Nadu History Class 11. You can choose one combination and complete it religiously. If you found this book list useful, smash that like button, share with your friends and most importantly subscribe. Our next video will be about modern Indian history book list. Thank you all.